Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ariful School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National and English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English literature class for class 4 students. Our today's topic, poem The Land of Storybooks, CW. So let's see our today's class. Class 4, Subject English Literature, Poem The Land of Storybooks CW, Tom Haveli, Lecture-05, SW3, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So dear students, please open your book, New Success with Buzzword, Communicative English for Schools, Main Course Book 4, and please go to open your book and please go to page number 48 in a book. This is the poem The Land of Storybooks. The Land of Storybooks. We will learn 10 lines of this poem. So The Land of Storybooks, the writer of this poem is Robert Louis Stevenson. So at evening when the lamp is lit, around the fire my parents sit, they sit at home and talk and sing, and do not play at anything. Now with my little gun I crawl, all in the dark along the wall, and follow round the forest track, away behind the sofa back. There in the night where none can spy. Spy? What is the meaning of spy? To gather secret information. All in my hunter's camp I lie. This is the poem we'll write today. So let's write the poem. So the title of the poem is The T will be capital, Land of, L will be capital, Storybooks, S will be capital, then B will be small, The Land of Storybooks. So title of the poem is The Land of Storybooks. So writer of this poem is, please write the writer's name after the title. Robert Louis Louis Stevenson, Stevenson. So the writer of this poem is Robert Louis Stevenson, Stevenson. Stevenson is a one word, please don't be confused. Robert Louis Stevenson. So let's write the poem. You know, the first letter of a sentence starts with a capital letter. So at evening when the lamp is lit, the first letter of a sentence always will be capital letter. At evening when the lamp is lit, when the lamp is lit, lamp LMP is lit, comma, at evening when the lamp is lit, around the fire my parents sit. So around, A will be capital, around the fire my parents, PARENTS, sit. There is a colon here. So around the fire my parents sit. Next line, they sit at home and talk and sing. So again T will be capital. They sit at home, they sit at home and talk and sing, and talk and sing, comma, and do not play at anything. A again will be capital, first letter of a sentence, and do not play anything, ANYTHING, full stop. And do not play at, there will be at here, do not play at anything, full stop. Next line, now with my little gun I crawl. Now, comma, with my little gun, W-I-T-S, with my L-I-T-T-L-E, little gun, comma, I crawl, C-R-A-W-L. Now with my little gun I crawl all in the dark along the wall. A will be capital, first letter of a sentence. All in the dark, all in the dark along the wall, along the wall, comma here, okay, and follow around the forest track, and follow round, R will be capital, sorry, no, and follow round, and follow round the forest track, follow around the forest track, T-R-A-C-K. Okay, next line, away behind the sofa back, A will be capital, away, B-E-S-I-N-D, behind the sofa, S-O-F-A, back, B-A-C-K, full stop. There in the night, there in the night, comma, where none can spy, spy, S-P-Y, comma, all in my hunters, L will be capital, all in my hunters, all in my hunters camp, P I lie, comma. So this is a poem, 10 lines of the poem, The Land of Storybooks. Let's read again. So first write the title of the poem, The Land of Storybooks. T will be capital, L and S will be capital. Then write the writer's name, poet's name, Robert Louis Stevenson. And you can see, as you can see, the first letter of a sentence always will be in capital letter. So at evening, when the lamp is lit, around the fire my parents sit, colon. They sit at home and talk and sing, comma, and do not play at anything. Now with my little gun I crawl, all in the dark along the wall, and follow round the forest track, away behind the sofa back. There in the night, where none can spy, all in my hunter's camp I lie. So dear students, your SW will be 3 poem, The Land of Storybooks, 10 lines. So SW 3 poem, The Land of Storybooks, 10 lines. So that's all for today, dear students. Do your assigned SW at home and submit on Saturday. Thanks for watching this class. So keep practicing at home. Have a good parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.